Okay, hi folks, good morning everybody. I've been asked about diesel heaters in the van. Do you like my decorations? It's quite nice actually. Anyway, so this is my thermostat, my control and everything for my diesel heater in the van. It is a 5 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater. I'm not going to say knockoff because they're really good. They're not knocked off. The Chinese bought them out because they took on, because I think it was Webasto or one of the other ones had to release the patented, whatever they call it, that thing, how to make them, and the Chinese grabbed all of it and thought, well, we can make these a lot cheaper. Thank God they did. All the best. Right, so I've had multiple questions about the diesel heater in the van. It is on my, what do you call it, passenger side. It is by the main door here. Why I put it there, I was building the van, it was just there was no thing online about where to put them or where to place them properly, so I just did this. So here's mine down here. So let's put a bit of light. So over here is my control panel. If anybody wants to know anything about the van build, please just go to my channel, look up, or I might even put it up here up this little notification for the van build and conversions. There's loads on there, including the chairs, the seats, the batteries, the solar panel, the control unit, the lot, even the build. This is a bit messy there, so this is an IKEA kitchen which we bought. My son came with me and we sorted it out and put it straight in, and that's on there as well if you want to see that. This is a cooker hook and hob, all that. So I'm just tidying up at the moment. It's the bedroom. Looks a mess. I know I've not quite finished the doors, I keep saying this. Anyway, the reason for this video is carbon monoxide poisoning. I keep getting asked this. These are so safe as long as you fit them correctly, okay? My exhaust, my intake is all outside. The only thing in the van is the unit, which is the combustion unit, furnace if you like, that sucks in the internal air which is in the van over a fin and pushes it out. Next, do I have a carbon monoxide detector? Yes, I do. I actually have two now. This is the Hawlk, very good, comes with it. It's not the one with fixed batteries. You can actually redo the batteries yourself, which is quite a good thing, and you have a tester as well. So sorry about the noise. It resets itself, tests, and again, and I think it should reset itself to 000, I believe. Not done this for a while, and there we go, 88888, and then it should be nothing. Give it a second, more than a second, there you go. So ready to go. Okay, now I've bought another one. Now you're talking about 20 quid, 30 pound a time. You can get it for 18, 17, Amazon do them and whatnot. This one is a kidde one. Kidde, K-I-D-D-E. This is brand new. Comes with the batteries and the instruction manuals and everything. And we'll give it a quick test. This is loud. You press it once and wait. Oof. Pre-test, and then it does it again, and then it'll do one more bleep and reset, and everything switches off. There we go, ready to go. So these are good. So now I'm going to place this right in front of the fan down here, right there. Well, actually put it on the top of the step because gas rises, so I'm going to put it there. My fin is there. Actually I can put it in front of the fin. Hold on one second, just to prove a point. Now this is my air duct. A bit more light on this. This is my air duct coming in, okay? This is my carbon monoxide tester. That's going to stand it on end, so it's got the, this is the vent that it requires to suck in the gas. So here we go, right there. See you in an hour. That's it, that's what I'm going to do. So just do a quick test. So there's one there, there's one, you only need one in the van. It's well worth doing it. Yes, I do it and everything else. I've also got one up at the woods. I'm going to have another one because I'm going to feed a diesel heater outside into my tent when the weather gets a bit worse, and that'll be feeding in a tent, and that'll have a carbon monoxide tester in there as well. Right, catch it in an hour and I guarantee it's not going to go off. If it is, I probably won't be here. Okay. Hour later, no alarms at all. I mean, I've been in here, I had a snooze. I've been training this morning, we really hammered it, me and my lads, so I was knackered. There we go, so that's so good they are. That's warm anyway, but that's beside the point. So there's two brands on the market that I know of myself: Kidde, Kidde, and Fireangel. It's both very remarkable. Yeah, carbon monoxide. Yeah, alarms. Must have. Best be safe than sorry. And there we go. Alright, if you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my fauna, let me know as well. Give it a thumbs up. Take care, and we will definitely catch you in the next one. There we go, Kidde, or they're the ones on the market. This is in the UK. What they have in everywhere else, I'm not too sure. Alright, so take care. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, PS, fire the diesel heater up to full power, just to clean her out. And it's lovely and warm in here. We'll leave that for 10 minutes, come back, turn it all off, ready to go for next time.